Go back to your childhood. What were the fascinating things? What's out there? What's beyond the stars? How long does it go on? And Mama said,
you have to start romanticizing your life. You have to start thinking of yourself as the main character. Because if you don't, life will continue to pass you by. And all the little things that make it so beautiful will continue to go unnoticed. So take a second.
You know what I thought would be cool? What if we started a trend where we show our clouds where we live? I think that's really cool. These are my clouds right here. They look nice. They're very.
Anyone else want to just like move off the grid into a cottage in the middle of the forest where you can bathe in a nearby stream and make your own quilts and grow your own herbs and spices and dance with the fairies? Because same.
It's so simple, but yet people find this fascinating when they come into my house, and they also think that I am a sociopath.
Today I'm going to show you guys how looking a little bit closer at nature can lead you to some really cool mushroom finds. As I took a walk along the stream the other day, I found this lovely moss and fern-covered log, and almost moved along without a second thought, but decided to pause and explore the log to see what I could find. And I'm lucky that I did, because this particular log was covered in eyelash cups, those little orange circles you can see in this shot. These fungi are also known as molly eyewinkers, scarlet elf caps, or eyelash pixie cups, and they range between half a centimeter to a centimeter in size. Most notably, they're covered in hairs that look like cute little eyelashes. Depending on how good your eyesight is, these eyelashes are just visible with the naked eye and quite fun to look at through a hand lens. They're common in North America and Europe and have been recorded growing on every continent, including the islands around Antarctica. You can most often find these weird little mushrooms on very damp, rotting wood. They fruit from late winter to early spring in California, so even though daffodils are the first signs of spring for most people, for me it's finding a nice log full of eyelash cups. It was super warm and sunny the other day, and you know what that means. It's time to go on a hike. While I was hiking, I found this guy about to try to cross the road where he could have been squished, so I picked him up. This little guy is a ring-necked snake, and even though the sign tells us to beware, they aren't dangerous at all to humans. I just can't get over how cute and tiny he was. This particular snake is a juvenile, but this species is small and doesn't really get thicker than the width of a pencil.